If you're new here, welcome to AI Builders Academy. I create music visuals and cinematic content, and I'm always searching for tools that speed up production while keeping the quality high. Higgsfield caught my attention because it brings several advanced AI video engines into one place. Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and their new Cinema Studio workflow. In this video, I'm walking you through my complete process, from generating a cinematic still frame to transforming it into a polished video. What I appreciate about Higgsfield is that it doesn't feel like a toy. You're not just typing a prompt and praying for a good result. You actually control resolution, framing, camera movement, and overall consistency. If you can describe a scene clearly, you can shape it into a film-style shot. I'm starting with Nano Banana Pro, Higgsfield's premium image model. It's built for creators who need clean, production-ready visuals rather than quick social media images. One of its biggest strengths is resolution flexibility. You can generate in 1K, 2K, or full 4K, and even upscale lower resolution images into sharp 4K outputs. Another thing that stands out is text accuracy. If your scene includes signs, UI elements, or readable text, Nano Banana Pro keeps everything stable and legible, something many image models still struggle with. You'll also notice stronger facial consistency and better interpretation of complex prompts, which helps maintain a character or visual identity across multiple shots. Cinema Studio, on the other hand, pushes you to think like a filmmaker. You're not simply animating an image, you're shaping how the viewer experiences the moment. Small decisions like camera height, movement speed, or depth of field completely shift the mood. A slow push-in builds tension and focus, while a locked-off frame feels clean and commercial. This level of control is rare in most AI video tools. Consistency is another major advantage. Whether you're working on a brand piece, a music visual, or a short film, consistency is everything. Cinema Studio helps keep lighting, framing, and cinematic style aligned across multiple shots, making the final sequence feel intentional instead of random. Motion feels natural too. The camera doesn't jitter or overreact. Movements are smooth, controlled, and realistic. Perfect for luxury visuals, automotive shots, or cinematic environments where subtle motion looks more premium than aggressive movement. Cinema Studio also handles reflections, highlights, and shadows convincingly. As the camera moves, the lighting responds in a natural way, which brings the shot closer to real commercial-grade footage. Overall, Cinema Studio feels less like a generator and more like a virtual film set. You begin with a deliberate first frame, then guide the camera exactly where you want it. For creators who care about cinematic storytelling, this workflow makes a huge difference. Next, I tested Kling 2.6 Audio, one of the most efficient tools on the platform. What makes Kling unique is that it generates both video and audio together. Ambience, sound design, and voice, all in one pass. This saves a lot of time, especially for cinematic scenes, trailers, or short-form storytelling. Motion fidelity is noticeably improved. Camera movement is smoother, multi-object scenes stay stable, and the final output feels cohesive. If you want film-like shots quickly without heavy post-production, this model is extremely practical. The integration of audio is a big advantage. Instead of generating visuals first and worrying about sound later, Kling gives you a complete audio-visual scene instantly. Motion, ambience, and audio are synchronized from the start, reducing editing time. The audio quality is impressive. Ambient sounds feel natural and spatial, helping sell the environment. Whether it's subtle background noise or a cinematic soundscape, everything feels intentional. Visually, motion fidelity is strong, smooth, controlled, and stable even in complex scenes. This makes Kling 2.6 Audio ideal for trailers, short cinematic clips, or concept visuals. You can generate a film-like scene in minutes, review it, and iterate quickly. In real workflows, this speed matters. Going from prompt to a complete audio-visual moment in minutes opens up new creative possibilities, especially when deadlines are tight. I also tested WAN 2.5, which is more flexible and creatively open. This model is great for bold visuals, stylized shots, or cultural content. It supports audio, motion, and longer durations, making it perfect for Reels, TikTok, or experimental visuals. WAN 2.5 feels expressive, while still delivering solid video quality. What makes WAN 2.5 stand out is creative freedom. It doesn't feel overly restricted, giving you room to explore bold ideas and unconventional styles. It's especially useful when you want a strong visual identity rather than strict realism. Dramatic lighting, stylized motion, and expressive framing work really well here. Another advantage is support for longer scenes and multiple aspect ratios, ideal for social platforms. Audio stays synchronized with motion. Voice, ambience, and movement feel connected, keeping the scene fluid even in experimental shots. Compared to the other tools, WAN 2.5 feels more expressive and less controlled. And that's intentional. It's not trying to replace Cinema Studio or Kling. It's the tool you use when you want to move fast, experiment freely, and create attention-grabbing visuals without overthinking technical details. After testing all these tools together, what stands out is how unified the workflow feels. Instead of switching between platforms, everything is in one place, from the first frame to the final video. For creators who care about cinematic quality and speed, this setup makes a lot of sense. Overall, what I appreciate about Higgsfield is how focused it is on real creative workflows. Instead of pushing one model, it gives you multiple tools depending on what you need: cinematic control, speed, or creative freedom. If you're working on music visuals, brand content, trailers, or experimental short films, having everything in one platform saves time without sacrificing quality. For me, Higgsfield is a strong option for creators who want to move fast while still caring about how their visuals feel. It's not about replacing traditional filmmaking. It's about accelerating the creative process. If you want to try it yourself, I've added links in the description. Explore the tools, test different models, and see which workflow fits your style. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, feel free to leave a like or a comment.